The hook, one port, countless possibilities. Imagine this, you're in the middle of a Zoom call, typing rapidly on your wireless keyboard while navigating spreadsheets with your mouse. Suddenly, you remember you need to switch to your alternate keyboard with custom shortcuts for editing. But your USB ports are already maxed out. Do you shuffle chords, unplug something, or just give up? This is a scenario many professionals, creators, and remote workers face daily. Cable clutter, limited ports, clunky pairing processes, and incompatible devices, it all adds up to one thing: inefficiency. Enter Logitech Unifying Software, an elegant, under-the-radar solution that just might be the biggest productivity hack you didn't realize you needed. Prologue: the wireless revolution. That started quietly when wireless devices first hit the scene. The technology was promising, but flawed. Lag, connection drops, interference from microwaves. Yes, really. And pairing nightmares made users skeptical. Logitech, however, saw the potential and took a quiet but brilliant step, making a tiny USB receiver capable of doing something revolutionary, pairing multiple peripherals seamlessly. They called it the Unifying Receiver, and it came with a small burst of orange on the packaging and products. Little did users know, this unassuming star would become a signature for a better, wire-free future. But it's the Logitech Unifying Software, the companion tool behind the curtain, that ties it all together. Let's break down what it is, why it matters, and how it can upgrade the way you work starting today. Chapter 1. What is Logitech Unifying Software? At its core, Logitech Unifying Software is a free utility that allows you to connect up to 6 compatible wireless Logitech devices like keyboards, mice, and touchpads to one unifying receiver. That's one USB port, 6 devices, and 0 headaches. It's plug-and-play simplicity layered with powerful convenience. Whether you're managing a work-from-home setup, designing 3D models, gaming, or just enjoying clutter-free browsing, this software reduces digital drag. If you see that small orange star icon on a Logitech device, it means it's ready to unify and likely streamline your workflow. Chapter 2. Why it's a big deal even if it looks small, you might think. One software app. So what? But here's why the Logitech Unifying Software can be a game changer. Port efficiency: most laptops now come with 2 to 4 USB ports. That's it. Reduce your dependency on dongles, hubs, and constant switching. Device mobility: travel a lot? Take your laptop with just one receiver plugged in for your mouse, keyboard, and even presentation remote. Set up once, use anywhere, pair your devices once, and they'll remain connected every time the receiver is plugged into your machine. Reduce clutter: no need for multiple wireless receivers sticking out of your computer like spaghetti. One port, one connection. Clean desk. It's smart. The software automatically detects connected devices, lets you name them for easy recognition, and manages pairing or unpairing without needing to dig through driver settings or OS controls. Chapter 3. The magic of the unifying receiver. The real power of Logitech's system lies in its unifying receiver, a thumbnail-sized USB dongle that harnesses Logitech advanced 2.4 GHz wireless technology. This ensures lightning-fast data transfers, long-range connectivity up to 10 meters, and resistance to interference from other devices, something Bluetooth can't always guarantee. Each receiver is unique. It holds its own encrypted pairing data, ensuring that your activity is secure and tailored to your devices alone. Pro tip: lose your receiver. Don't toss the devices. New receivers can be bought separately and paired using the software. Chapter 4. Setting it all up: easy mode. Activate it, you don't need a tech degree. Here's how it works. Step-by-step setup. Download Logitech Unifying software from the official Logitech website. Install it. Just follow the on-screen wizard. Insert the Unifying receiver into a USB port. Open the software and click Add a device. Turn on your Logitech device and press its pairing button or switch it off on if it doesn't have one. Once paired, software confirms the connection. Done. Chapter 5. Beyond Basics, features you'll appreciate apart from pairing devices. The Unifying software offers a few thoughtful features. Device renaming. Label your keyboard as Editing Keyboard or your mouse as Gaming Mouse for easier recognition. Device management. See which devices are currently paired, remove. Unwanted devices and even reassign devices between laptops. Visual Pairing Assistant. Step-by-step guides in the UI show you what to do. Even if you're completely new to wireless tech. Chapter 6. What it doesn't do, and that's okay. The Unifying software isn't designed for advanced device customization. You won't find macros, DPI adjustment, or gesture settings here. That's where Logi Options Plus comes in, a separate tool for specific Logitech products that allows deep personalization. Together, they make the perfect pair. Unifying software, connection and management. Logi Options. Options Plus, functionality and Logi. And Logiality and Logially. And Lalially, Logially, Logially Clav. Logially products that allows Logially products that allows Logially. They see, they lowly Logially. My Logially, deprise, desistically lowly. Why Logially? By lies. I say, why Logially? By lie. I say lie I may it. We see you sell I say quibes like apply. Kiddies slick to set it be sit it at least I select to say sick to apply if I to bought it to go what it's heck the beat the dust guy to play bad it's the regular hey look this customization. Think of the Unifying software as the backstage tech crew making your tools work together effortlessly, while Options Plus is the artist fine-tuning their craft. Chapter 7. The Security Chapter. Yes, it matters in the world of wireless. Tech security is often overlooked until it's too late. Back in 2016, flaws in some wireless receivers, dubbed the mouse jack vulnerability, made headlines. Hoodie-wearing hackers could, in theory, inject keystrokes or record them from nearby. Good news. Logitech responded swiftly. Firmware updates were released that patched vulnerabilities, and users were empowered to secure their gear. Takeaway: if you're using an older Unifying receiver, download Logitech's firmware update tool to install the latest security patches. Chapter 8. Who should use this software? Hint: probably you remote workers moving between home and co-working spaces. Set up your mouse and keyboard once, plug in your receiver, and you're ready. No fuss. Gamers and streamers pair performance-grade Logitech mice and tactile keyboards for ultra-responsive gameplay. Educators and presenters manage presentation tools like clickers and laser pointers, along with your typing tools, all off one dongle. Corporate tech teams it's easier to manage desk setups with fewer cables and simplified IT. Inventories when all devices talk to one receiver. Chapter 9. Limitations to keep in mind. No tool is perfect, and knowing its boundaries helps. Only compatible devices must have the orange Unifying logo. Max 6 devices per receiver. No mobile support. Doesn't work with smartphones or tablets. No advanced reprogramming. Use Logi software for that. Windows and Mac OS only. Linux has community workarounds, but no official support codes. Of the future. What's next after Unifying? With the rise of Logibolt, Logitech is clearly exploring newer, more secure wireless technologies, particularly for enterprise-level security. But don't worry, Unifying isn't going away anytime soon. It's still supported, widely used, and frankly, beloved by millions. And best of all, you already own most of what you need to try it. Real stories. Real users, I didn't realize I was swapping dongles every day until someone showed me the Unifying software. Now my home office feels 50% less chaotic. Priya Singh, content strategist as an engineer on the go. I only carry one dongle in my laptop. Keyboard, travel mouse, trackpad tall connected. 8. No drama. James R., mechanical engineer finial. Thoughts? The silent superpower in your desk drawer in a world where technology is celebrated for what's flashy. Logitech Unifying software is the quiet, Genius A background player enabling efficiency, saving space, and making multi-device management feel effortless. It doesn't brag. It just works. So, if you're still juggling multiple USB devices, struggling with clutter, or constantly pairing and unpairing gear, it's time to unify. Ready to simplify your workflow. Take action now. Download Logitech Unifying software. From Logitech's official website, pair your devices, enjoy wireless freedom. No matter how you work, because when you spend less time managing devices, you spend more time doing what matters.